Hi, I'm Ms. B with ICES Education in Bud Carson Middle School for the city of Hawthorn, and today I will be showing you how to make little paper boats. Okay, so to do this project, all you need is a piece of paper. It can be lined paper, printer paper, anything you have. So you're going to fold it in half, hamburger style. And then you're going to take your paper and then fold it in half. One more time. And from here we're going to open it back up, and you're going to see that there's a line right here in the middle, and you're going to take your two corners, so not these corners where it opens up, the other corners. You're going to take those and they're going to meet on that center line. Alright, so from here you're going to have two little flaps, the top flap and the bottom flap, and you're going to fold the top flap up as far as it goes. It's not going to want to go past these little flaps, and that's okay. That's exactly what we want. So you're going to fold it over, turn it over, and you're going to notice these two little triangles right here. So we're going to take those triangles and fold them over. Now we're going to take these two corners and fold them so that the edge right here meets the edge of the corners, the corners that you just made. Okay? So now we're going to fold this over, the entire flap. And you're going to make sure that it lines up. See how it looks like a straight line on both sides? Okay, so this next part can be a little bit tricky, so just pay attention, okay? So you have your triangle. You're going to face it up towards you and then turn it so the long side is pointing like an arrow directly towards you. You're going to open it up and pull the corners. And it's kind of gonna look a little bit like a duck mouth, okay? And you're going to lay it flat. Lay it flat. Okay, so you have your duck mouth here, right? So you're going to open them up and fold it over. And it's going to meet the top corner right there. You're going to flip it over and do the same exact thing. Okay? So now, you have a triangle again. You have your three little flaps like that. So you're going to turn it up, and just like we did before when we made that little duck mouth, we're going to do it again. Okay? So now you have this. You're going to flip it. This is the inside of your little mouth, and you're going to flip it over. And these two little corners, you're going to take them and pull your boat open. You're going to pull, pull, pull. And from here you can kind of just mess with it a little. Try to get it to stand up. And there you have it, your little boat. So from here you can decorate it, whatever, any markers, draw on it, do whatever you like.